If your iPhone apps suddenly open with a different animation and you're wondering why it changed or how you can change it back, I'll show you what you need to know. The app opening animation on your iPhone can look different after an iOS update, especially if Apple has changed the way certain animations and transitions work. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap Accessibility. From here, tap Motion. Now look for the option called Reduce Motion. If Reduce Motion is turned on, your iPhone uses fewer animations and some apps may open with a much simpler transition. If you want the normal iPhone animations, make sure Reduce Motion is turned off. After turning it off, go back to your home screen and open an app again. You should now see the standard opening animation. If Reduce Motion was already turned off, but your app animation still looks different, there may not be a separate setting that lets you choose a specific app opening animation. Apple controls many of these animations as part of iOS. You can also try restarting your iPhone, especially if the animation changed unexpectedly after an update, or if the transition looks unusual. So, if your iPhone app opening animation looks different, check Settings, Accessibility, Motion, Reduce Motion first. This is the main setting that affects how animations and transitions appear on your iPhone. And that's how you can fix the app opening animation on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.